Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you accidentally deleted your network adapters and you're trying to get it back. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa device managers, kung paano ba natin i-restore back yung accidentally deleted na network adapters, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So, click mo lang yan and right-click ka lang. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung scan for hardware changes. So, click mo lang yan and then wait natin na ma-complete. Okay? So, once na-complete na yung scanning, so back tayo dito and then click mo lang tong arrow na yun para mag-expand and then i-check natin yung network adapters. Mga kaibigan, click mo lang yan and then ito na siya. Okay? So, makikita mo na dito na restore back na siya. Once hindi pa rin na-restore back, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong device manager. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung network reset and then click mo lang dito yung open and then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. Okay, so this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, ang next step ay click mo lang tong reset now. Right. So, before we proceed, so please keep in mind that if you're using a Wi-Fi based connections, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby and accessible, because once it reset our network settings and restart our computer, you will need those credentials to get it back on the network. Okay? So, in the next step, click mo lang tong network reset and then click mo lang tong yes. Right? So, ang next step, so after natin ma-network reset, so dito lang si start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix accidentally deleted network adapter in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.